She is looking at the small dogs. That would be on the menu.
Merged with the Scots in the 9th century to come down here to Northumbria and face the Angles. There was a king.
The Royal Mile is the heart of Scotland's historic capital. The Royal Mile runs through the heart of Edinburgh's Old Town, connecting the magnificent Edinburgh Castle perched high on the base of volcanic rock with the splendorous palace of Holyrood House resting in the shadow of Arthur's Seat. The mile is overlooked by impressive towering tenements between which cobbled closes and narrow stairways interlock to create a secret underground world. The Royal Mile runs between two significant locations in the royal history of Scotland, Edinburgh Castle and Holyrood Palace. The total length of the street between the castle and the palace is exactly a Scots mile, 1.81 kilometers, hence the name. Peppered with superb attractions such as the Royal Mary King's Close or Scottish Storytelling Centre. Historical sites including St. Giles Cathedral and some of the best eating and drinking spots in the city, the Royal Mile offers so much to see and do. We are going to share some of the highlights of our walk through the Royal Mile, so sit back and enjoy the performances of local artists.
Digestive biscuit, not dye. I love the digestive biscuit. Especially the chocolate milk ones, I love them. We are an ancient civilization calling the Scots in the 9th century to come down here to Northumbria and face the Angles. There was a king of the Picts, Angus, who prayed to Andrew. This is a crucifixion that Andrew was crucified, and his parts of his body is brought by regulars to St Andrews. It was the Picts who prayed to Andrew, not the Scots. After the battle, the king was... No. After the battle of Athelstan, right? The Picts and Scots united into the one. So it was the king of the Scots and Alba, not Pict anymore, to become the one.
She is looking at the small dogs. That would be on the menu. She's only ever jumped at a few.
Only a few.
Only a few. No, she went for some woman's wicked.
You're gonna see tonight, and you're singing the song, thinking this is the life. And you wake up in the morning and your head feels like the size. And you're gonna go, where you gonna go? Where you gonna see tonight? Where you gonna see tonight? Tonight, and you're singing the song, thinking this is the life. And you wake up in the morning and your head feels like the size. And you're gonna go, where you gonna go? Where you gonna see tonight? Where you gonna see tonight?
My favorite was the headless man who has been entertaining tourists from at least 10 years, yet no one knows whether this is a man or a ghost. How could we finish our tour of Scotland without having a glimpse of recent history, the ultra-modern Scottish Parliament? Parliament, a striking building boasting a cutting-edge design. Construction of the building commenced in June 1999, and the Member of Scottish Parliament held their first debate in the new building on the 7th September 2004 at the total cost of £414 million, 3 times more than budgeted at the start of this mega project. When we arrived here, we witnessed a protest against COVID vaccine. Exploring the world and sharing these exciting adventures with you is a passion of mine. Be a part of my passion by hitting the like button and share this video as much as possible. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future adventures. Take only memories, leave only footprints. See you next week with a new adventure. Ciao.